Thank you. Well, you gotta drop it. Here we go. Thank you, Lightning. Good boy. You know it's bad when Lightning wants to play fetch with me. Because I'm not his favorite person. Have a good day, everyone.